Hey everybody, this is Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here's our last waterfall of the year of 2021. We're at, actually this is right next to the Redondo Beach Performing Arts Center on Aviation and Manhattan Beach Boulevard. There's the Performing Arts Center. We're at Quantimetrix, and we are actually in process. There's about 15 tons of stone here. We just had it delivered this morning. There's a little bit over here. We redid the landscape there. I have a little bit more to do. And then now we're laying the liner down for this project. We got it all sculpted out. We're building the retaining walls in the back with big stones. And as you can see here, it's going to be a dual, it's going to be a waterfall on top, and then it's going to be a dual riverbed. And we're going to have a planter in the middle, and we're going to disperse these basalt fountains, or excuse me, basalt rocks kind of throughout. We have these big pipes because this is going to be a pondless waterfall, so these are going to go on the bottom of the sump. And then we've got this big giant sit rock, so anybody who wants it can kind of sit here and kind of enjoy the sounds of the waterfall. And one of the big things that was a decision to go forward with this is look at that traffic. Lots of fumes, lots of noise, but that's all going to be drowned out by this. We intend on using the Awasa 8,000 gallon per hour pump. It's going to give us a lot of flow. We're using granite boulders here, and so this is kind of a before and during of the waterfall. That big pipe there is 1.5 inches in the middle. We put that in so that it's going to run from the sump where the liner is being laid into it's going to overflow into here, and it's just going to be a stream bed. So anyway, we'll keep it posted. We'll do, once we get finished, we'll go ahead and do another video. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think beautiful waterfalls, pollinator fountains, think Enviroscape LA.